1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice benefits. Leaves a sore throat. Helps clear skin. Aids indigestion. Cancer-fighting benefits. Promotes weight loss. Two. Plum juice. Plum juice benefits. Reduces cholesterol levels. High in vitamins. Provides a good source of iron. Lowers blood pressure. Builds bones and muscles. Three. Mango juice. Mango juice benefits. Rich in vitamins, mineral and antioxidants. Potential anti-cancer effects. Improve immunity. Eye, skin and hair health. Eye, skin and hair health. Four. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice benefits. Lower blood pressure. Keeps the heart healthy. Natural moisturizer. Anti-aging agent. Ideal diet for weight loss. Five. Mint juice. Mint juice benefits. Treats asthma. Treats common cold. Cures headache. Improve brain power. Beats stress and depression. Six. Tamarind juice. Tamarind juice benefits. Promotes weight loss. Good for nerve function. Maintains healthy blood pressure. Purifies the blood. Helpful for eyes. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share to Extraordinary RJ channel.